How to configure proxy settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to set up a proxy for your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Proxy on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see two sections on this page: Automatic Proxy Setup and Manual Proxy Setup. From here, under Automatic Proxy Setup, you'll see a toggle labeled Automatically Detect Settings. Leave this on if you want Windows to automatically find and apply proxy settings for your network without you having to enter anything manually. Following this, just below that, you'll see Use Setup Script. Click Setup next to it if your network administrator has provided you with a proxy script URL. Enter it in the field and save. After that, if you'd rather configure a proxy manually, scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section. From here, click Setup next to Use a Proxy Server and enter the proxy address and port number provided by your network or proxy service. At this point, you can also add exceptions for specific addresses that should bypass the proxy by entering them in the Exceptions field before saving. Finally, click Save to confirm, and Windows will route your Ethernet and Wi-Fi traffic through the proxy straight away. Keep in mind, these settings don't apply to VPN connections. That's how you configure proxy settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!